My name is Staffan Edström and I'm the CEO and the majority owner of Windak. Windak is originally a Swedish company and we have been in Estonia since 2004. We specialize in packaging of cable. And what does it mean is that we actually don't make the cable. Someone else producing electric cable, fiber optic cable, different types of data cable, solar cable, EV cables, and we take care of the packaging. It's a bit like someone making soup. We don't make the soup, but we make the machine that puts the soup in a can. Okay, good morning. Welcome to the world of Windak. Here it's our beautiful office at Petri. And I'll take you around a little bit, show what we do in a day here. This is our conference room, and in here we bring our customers from all around the world, show them our products, the Windak line, and if I take you around a little bit more around to our offices, then you will see where it all happens and where all designs come from. And I think most of them are actually on a coffee break right now. My grandfather's had a business, my dad had a business. I often helped them as a young person and then realized that owning a business or starting a business is not so much different than doing your regular job. Yes, it's a little bit more risky on the income side, but in terms of what you have to do it all the time, whether you own a business or as an employee. So I think that has taught me to not be afraid of new challenges, and most of the things can be solved. Yes, let's talk a little bit about the Windak factory. We've been in this factory since 2020, and already after a couple of years we had to double the factory size because we got so many new orders. A lot to do with that we made this investment of this new factory. I'll take you downstairs so we can have a little bit look closer to the equipment. I believe that one of the more difficult challenges is to always find good people that will take the company further to develop, because really the core of the company are the people that you have in the business. The combined knowledge of everyone working here is worth, for any business, a tremendous asset. And that is a challenge in Estonia because the labor pool is quite limited. There are many good companies looking for good people, but we've been lucky to get some exceptional people working for us. And so now I will show you the latest development here. This is a new product we're designing that we can sell into the Indian market, we can sell it into South American market, Mexican, European market, and somewhat in the US market. They're all made in-house here in our CNC machines and designed by Estonian brain power. So very proud of this latest development. There's been many times during the years when you develop a company that you may be not so calm, or you get tension because there are a lot of things that can go wrong or happen in a business. But there was a point in time when I had been to here and realized there are many unknown factors I cannot control. And in that sense, I woke up in the middle of the night and I'm thinking, well, no one is going to lay awake and wondering if I'm worried about this or not. So after that, I fell back to sleep, and now when I worried, I know that some things I cannot control, then what can I be worried about? Here we're going to go in and have a quick look and a quick talk to Marco. Marco is our production manager, and Marco has been with us for, how long, Marco, have you been with us?
20.
20 years, Marco. And
it's like a 40 with you.
Oh, thank you very much. I think, Marco, when will you finally learn what you do? I mean, I am very patient, but isn't it time that...
It's every day.
Yeah. I couldn't run the company from Australia if I didn't trust the people here 100%. So in effect, I must be willing to hand over my wallet to them and say, look after my wallet here, and they do it very well.